Hi everyone. So I made a mistake today when I made my buffalo chicken chili. So now that I made a mistake, I have to do something with it. Yes, I still make mistakes, measuring mistakes and seeing things. And I opened up a can of tomato sauce, and I had already taken out 2 pounds of ground chuck to make a meatloaf for tomorrow. So my recipes that I use don't usually have tomato sauce in it. Usually it's ketchup. So I could turn it into chili, but I made buffalo chicken chili today. I could turn it into spaghetti sauce, and I made that the other day. So we're not going to tell the guy I live with that there's going to be sauce in a meatloaf. So that's my mistake. If you make a mistake, I wasn't going to toss it. I said, what can I do with this? So we're going to make a meatloaf, a recipe I never made because I'm making it up. And in all truth, the truth of the matter is, I never used recipes. I got married at 17 the first time. I was the youngest of 5. That's 2 pounds of ground chuck. I'm going to get my salt and pepper. I was the youngest of 5 kids. My grandmother and my aunt live with us. My mom, grandmother, and aunt did all the cooking. No one taught me how to cook. So I got married at 17 for absolutely no reason. My parents were moving to upstate New York. They wanted me to have a wedding. So here I go, getting married. I had no business being married. In this little thing, I'm going to drop my farm fresh eggs. The reason I'm not dropping them directly in there is sometimes, you know, if you get farm fresh eggs, you might find a new creature you don't want, or you can get shells in it. I usually just dump right in, but these are beautiful. These are from, well, some are from my friend Melanie, who I help raise, and I'm best friends with her mom. And the other I bought at Hadcock Farms when I was down at their house. Oh my God, they're gorgeous. So I'm putting 2 eggs with 2 pounds. Where I'm going with this. So no one taught me to cook. Nobody taught me recipes. I just made them up as I went and learned. And that's how most people do learn. So traditionally, I would be putting ketchup in it. So Dave eats that. Shocker, he does. What I'm going to do with this is half a can of this tomato sauce is going in. I'm making it up, you guys. Now, because that's a lot of sauce, and this is going to be the topping, I'm going to jazz it up with stuff he does like. I did cook an onion. I softened up an onion like the Einer Garten recipe is. I've done raw onions in my meatloafs. We both love onions, so they can go in. I just don't want to cook the egg, so I was trying to let it cool. Do you guys make up? I can't tell you how many people have messaged me for a recipe. I try to post the recipe with the meal, but sometimes there is no recipe. Sometimes it's just like I don't know, I just make it up as I go. It's like a science project. This is 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs I meant. So 2 of these are going to be 1/2 cup for 2 pounds. I'm going to add a little milk into that to moisten it. Sometimes I do that when I do regular breadcrumbs. I'm trying to really cover up the sauce. So it's going to have a tomato base like ketchup would be in it. He eats ketchup, but he doesn't eat tomato sauce. I don't know. He eats Cheez-Its, but he doesn't eat cheese. A little splash of Worcestershire. So I've got onions. I'm not going to put much in it. I'm going to leave it plain. I'm going to jazz up the top. He loves beef. He does the turkey ones I do, as long as I don't put any spinach in his. I make meatloaf a lot, as you probably have already seen from my videos. Reason being, this is tomorrow's dinner. Today's Saturday, and we are either going, it's going to be nice tomorrow, so we're either going on the boat or going across the road to the lake, doing something outside. Today I've been inside all day. Not my best self. I woke up at 3 in the morning. I have had zero ambition, I guess that's the word. Not feeling great because I didn't sleep well. I tried a new pillow last night. That might be going back to Amazon. So I think I'm going to call that the inside of my meatloaf. I think I've mixed it enough. I try not to over mix it. I don't think he's going to dislike this. I can't. Do you guys, when did you lose your strength is what I want to know. I have lost my strength. It's not mixed enough. Now you guys, my fingers won't open. For real, they're trigger fingered. This is terrible. Holy moly. Sorry. I'm battling trigger fingers on both hands, and I don't know what to do. They're weak. I'm falling apart, you guys. I know that really did hurt. When I do certain things, pull up the blinds, pull the string, it's terrible. If you have it, you know. So this wasn't mixed enough. The good thing about Temptations is you can mix right in the container. I am doing it in a square brownie pan, and I went through this before with my last meatloaf, and the reason is you get more surface than just the top of a loaf pan, and I like the surface because I'm going to make a topping for it. I'm going to put something in this so that we hide that it's tomato sauce. You guys, I'm sneaky that way. What can I say? Okay, so I'm going to try to get it flat. I would use my hands, but then I have to touch the camera. I need another spoon because that one is meat-ized. Into this tomato sauce. Let me close up some stuff here. I'm going to put a little bit of mustard, some Dijon, like a teaspoon. I'm going to put a little cider vinegar. I'm going to try to make it not taste like tomato sauce. Okay, it's going to be good. I mean, probably 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar, some Worcestershire. Then I have Heinz instead of Grey Poupon because the price point was a lot different. And I brought out the big thing of brown sugar. So of course I need another spoon. We're going to put a heaping 2 teaspoons. Heaping. And by heaping I mean heaping. And I'm mixing it right in the can so I don't dirty another item. What do you think? Will he know? I'll let you know. He is tough to cook for. I do like to cook. He doesn't eat a lot of what I do cook. It's tough, but I've learned. We've been together for 10 years. And before I even met him, he told me, I'm gonna taste it. Oh, it's gonna be good. Oh, it's really good. I'm gonna pour this right on. And I'm gonna smooth it out. And seriously, I made a mistake and opened tomato sauce, but now I turned it into hopefully a good meatloaf. I don't know. What do you think? He's not home. It's a secret. It's nothing bad for him. It's actually delicious. I know it is. Now today's Saturday. I don't have dinner done for today. I made him a big roast beef grinder. I made him pancakes for the week. I make them ahead of time. You've seen me do that in Tupperware. I do pancakes and sausage in a big Tupperware container. Then he takes out 2 or 3 pancakes every day. I take good care of that guy. And I made him a big roast beef grinder. He took 1/4 of that too. He has a little job he does on the weekends. He took that to work. I am rolling potatoes in foil because when I bake this, I'm baking 2 yellow potatoes for David and a sweet potato for Lori. And we have some ears of corn. I've got all kinds of fresh vegetables. And that is meatloaf and potatoes ready to go in the oven. So anything I can do ahead of time when I have my bursts of energy, I do it. What do you think? It's gonna be good. Took almost 9 minutes to show you how I made a mistake. I love you guys. Thanks for watching my mistakes. Thanks for correcting me. I make it up as I go. I learned as I went and everything. I don't always like the same stuff. I like to shake up a recipe. I like being the mad scientist in the kitchen. It's been my thing my whole life. This is my huge brown sugar. It has a bear in it that keeps it moist so it doesn't break. Again, excuse this. This is really a crazy day. Have a great day. Bye-bye.